fools go. Yes, I did.
Hey guys, it's Mariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be playing around with the Thirsty palette. So I'm really excited to get some different looks out of this palette because this is the palette that I've been wanting for a really long time. As you guys already know, I've already had one look up on my channel. So if you guys haven't already seen that one, I'll link it right here for you guys in the little eye. But I really wanted to do another creation with this palette, and I came across a girl's Instagram. Let me find it. So I came across a girl's Instagram. Her name is SammyXO and her picture looks like this. So I really want to recreate this photo. I've already told her that I'm going to be recreating it and I'm going to tag her in the description bar down below, and I'm also going to be tagging her on Instagram when I post it. I came across it actually on Pinterest when I was just looking for random inspiration with the Thirsty palette, and it's really gorgeous. It's very peachy and yellowy and blue all together. It's basically all of the really gorgeous colors that are in this palette that I am so drawn to all in an eye look. So I definitely want to try it out and see if I can make it look anything like hers at all. So I'm going to zoom you guys in and we can just get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by priming my eyes. So I do have some new concealers coming in the mail. They're just not here yet. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop 06 concealer, and I'm just going to quickly prime my eyelids. So now, once that is all done, I am going to quickly go in and I'm going to prime the rest of my face. So I'm going to be using the No Problem Primer by Touch in Soul, and it looks like this. And I'm just going to quickly prime the rest of my face. So just following her eye look, she put the kind of peachy tones in her crease, so that's what I'm going to start off with. So using a fluffy blender brush, this is the Luxie. There's my double-ended one. It doesn't have a name on it anymore. I am going to go in with the color Bitch, and I'm just going to put that all in my crease. So once that's all nice and blonde out, I'm going to go in with the color, I'm going to go into the color Quench, and I'm just going to put it on the outer corner. So I'm going to go in with a tapered brush. So this is the Luxie 131 mini angled brush, and I'm going to go in with Quench, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner. And now across the actual lid portion, she has the color, I think she goes Splash and then Submerge. So across the eyelid, I am going to go in with my Luxie double-ended brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Splash first, which is that teal, the bright teal in the palette. And I'm just going to put that over this portion of my eyelid. And then she goes in with the color Submerge, which is the deeper blue right here, and she puts that on the rest of the eyelid in the inner corner. So I'm going to go in with, my Luxie 131 brush and Submerge, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner. And now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. So I am going to go in with my one mini angle, this is 111 mini angled brush by Luxie, and I'm going to go in with that Submerge color and just deepen the blue. And I'm going back in with my Luxie double-ended brush. And now I'm going to go back into the color Bitch, which was the first color we used, and I'm just going to blend the colors in the crease. On the outer corner, I'm just going to brighten that yellow a little bit. I think that looks really cool. It's very rainbowy. Mine's a little bit more rainbowy than hers, but I definitely think it's turning out really cool. So I'm going to quickly go in. Drop things. I'm gonna quickly go in and do the other side really quickly, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that this is such a colorful look already, I think I'm just gonna stick with the black liner. I was going to use a Jeffree Star lipstick for the liner, but I feel like it would just be a little bit too busy as it's already very colorful. So I'm just gonna use my Pretty Vulgar gel liner to do a quick wing. So I will bring you guys down and demo another wing with you guys. And so there's one wing down, and I'm just gonna quickly go in and do the other side. Okay, so now that I have the lashes and the liner all on, it's time to do the under eyes. So she basically mimicked the same thing that she did on the top on the bottom. So I'm just gonna go in using my Luxie tapered brush, and I'm just gonna go in and do the orange kind of portion first. So I'm gonna go in with the color Bitch and the color Quench on the bottom portion on both outer corners. And then right on the center of the eye, she did that blue. So I'm gonna go in with Splash first, and then I'm gonna go in with Submerge. And then right on the portion where the two colors meet, I'm gonna go in with my tapered brush again, and I'm just gonna go in with the color Quench. And then do the same thing on this eye. So I'm gonna go in with Bitch and Quench. And then I'm gonna go in with Splash, and then Submerge. And then right on the center of the two colors, back in with Quench. And just a little bit of Bitch to make it more orange. But that is the finished eyeshadow portion of this look, so it looks really cool. So the last thing that I need to do to tie the eyes all together is do some mascara. So I'm gonna go in with this new mascara. This is the Royal Treatment Primer and Mascara Duo. So I don't actually know how this works. I've never actually tried it before. So this is, wow, okay. So this is the primer side. So it's like a purple mascara. So I'm gonna go in with the primer first. Now that the primer is on, I'm gonna go in with the other side, which is, I believe, just a black mascara. So that was a really interesting mascara. I've never heard of a primer and a mascara in the same wand. It's really interesting. I believe we got that in a BoxyCharm a little while ago, and I've never tried it out. It made my lashes really long, really voluminous. It's a really nice mascara. I just find it a little strange. I'm gonna quickly do just some black liner. So this is the Scandal Eyes black liner, and I'm just gonna do my waterline. The last thing that I need to do that I forgot to do is just some highlight. So I'm gonna go in with my Luxie highlight brush, just my tapered brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Ice Cold from the Jeffree Star Platinum Ice Palette. And I'm just going to add some highlight quickly to my high points of my cheeks. And then just on a small brush, so I'm gonna go in with just a little Luxie 121 mini tapered. I'm gonna go back in with Ice Cold, and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm gonna go in with Ice Cold again, just on the inner corner. And then that is the finished eye look. So I'm gonna quickly go fix this eyelash because it's actually poking me, and I will be right back to show you guys it. And this is the finished eye look once it's all complete. I think it looks really cool. It's really pretty. It's a little bit different than the original girl's look. She definitely had it more of like a peachy kind of orange on top, whereas mine's more of pink. And hers went to teal to blue, which is the same as mine, but hers just definitely didn't have this pink part right here. So maybe I used the wrong color. I don't know. I'm going off of her photo. I'm not really going off of her tutorial or anything. I don't know if she actually has a tutorial on this look, but I definitely went with more like of a peachy look than to an orange, where hers is more orange. But either way, I think I think both of the looks that we created with this look amazing. I think her original look is absolutely gorgeous, and I definitely really like the recreation that I tried today. So thank you so much to Sammy Sammy XO for giving me the inspiration to recreate your look. I hope you enjoy my look. I hope you watch this video. I don't know if you actually will, so I may not be even talking to anybody, but I think it turned out really cool and really pretty, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!